In today's video, we're going to be doing a Goddess Provisions unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe because I upload these unboxings on my channel every single month. So today we're going to be unboxing Goddess Provisions. This is a bigger box than usual. If you guys watch my other unboxings, this is big and this is kind of heavy. So I'm excited to get into this box. Now, let's talk about Goddess Provisions. It is a monthly subscription box. By the way, before we get started, you know, every single video where I'm doing unboxings, it's like it's a fun video that I like to do where I just like to relax and drink and unbox. So I don't have wine today, but I have a shot. I'm actually drinking Bacardi. But yeah, usually while I'm prepping to do this video, I will, you know, drink my wine or take some shots to relax and like, it's like a downtime for me. But today I was so busy, I didn't even get to take it. So I did pour it out for the thumbnail, but I did not take it. So let's take a shot. It's probably gonna look weird for you guys that I don't use a chaser. I usually don't. But yeah, anyways, that's out of the way. Goddess Provisions. It is a monthly subscription box for spiritual items. You get 5 to 7 full-size items that range from like spiritual tools, crystals, beauty products, books. It's so diverse. There's so much. And every single box, I have used almost everything in there for my own spiritual workings. Also, it's inspiring and it gives you something to do. Like, especially like in California, we're going back and shut down, lockdown, all that stuff. So it gives me something more to do. It gets me more creative. It's just a box that is like perfect for if you are spiritual, if you want to do spiritual work, you don't know where to start, or if you just want more creativity, more inspiration and stuff like that. Every single box has like over $100 worth of items in there, and it's only $33 a month, but you can choose different options. Like if you subscribe for 6 months to a year, you do get a little bit of a discount. So I'll link Goddess Provisions down below if you guys are interested, but let's get into what is in the box. I'm gonna open it on camera with you guys, show you what's in it, my thoughts, my opinions, and then we're gonna get into the actual price of each item and all that. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've been actually thinking about doing a video where I take you guys along with me on like a day in the life of, like trying to show you what my day consists of. If you guys would be interested, just to show you, yeah, I just want to show you like, if you're interested in that. Whoa, look at that. Look at how pretty. It's like a box with a moon. I'm gonna keep that box, that's super cute. But let's get into it. The first item we have is rune stones, Goddess Provisions. Oh my God. You guys see, you probably don't see it. See the runes? It's like little wooden pieces and then there's runes on it. I use runes. I don't do rune readings. My partner does rune readings, but I use runes in rituals a lot. If you guys have seen my bay leaf videos, I did one for health and I did one for money. You can use the health or the money rune. So this is actually perfect because I can use this while I'm charging stuff up, or if I want to do a ritual for love, money, health, protection, and any other like symbol of the runes. I was thinking about giving this to my partner, but I think I'm gonna be using it so much because it's made out of wood, first of all, so it's natural from the earth, and it has the rune symbols on it. Like if you get this box, all you need to do is pick out the rune that you need, put a tea light candle on top of it, and light it. Like that's it. So this is really nice. I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it. The next thing I see here is a Goddess Provisions little baggie, and in here it looks like it's jewelry. Let's see. Or no, it's not jewelry. First of all, they package stuff really good. If you guys have bought from my Etsy shop, this is how we package. Like my partner does a lot of the packaging and I help sometimes, but the packaging we go through a lot of bubble wrap just because we want to protect our stuff while it's in transit to give to you guys. It's a necklace. It is a necklace and it's gorgeous. I've never seen anything like it. I have never seen anything like it. I'm so excited. You can feel the energy already. It's not a necklace. It's a pendulum. You guys, I've been trying to order a pendulum. I've been trying to find time for myself to do a little bit of shopping for some spiritual supplies. I don't even have to do it anymore. I was actually looking for a plain one where it's just a crystal that drops down, but holy shit. There you go. Can you see? How cute. It's a pendulum. I'm gonna be using this tonight. Make sure that when you guys are drinking, one shot should be like 2 shotfuls of water. Like, always hydrate yourself while you're drinking. So let's take another shot. I guess I use water as a chaser, so I'm hydrated while I'm taking shots. Don't judge me. The next thing I see here is called Syrup. It looks like a perfume or a roller. Awakening your divine wisdom. Oh my god, you smell it right off the bat. Witch hazel, rose, essential oil blend, and iolite gem. I've never heard of that. It smells really good, really herbally, earthy. My grandpa from my dad's side, he was very, very, very spiritual, but he was spiritual in the sense of using occult and like ritualistic, like darker magic. He was into a lot of that kind of stuff, and he had this drawer in his bedroom, and when we were little, we were not allowed to go in that drawer. But you know, when you're little, you're super curious, and if somebody tells you don't do it, you're gonna be like, okay, but why? So when you're alone, you're gonna go explore, right? So me and my sister would go like near his cabinet, and this is what it smelled like. This is taking me back to what his cabinet smelled like. So it's very interesting. It's very nostalgic. It's powerful. He was a powerful man. So yeah, this is nice. Okay, the next thing I see here is this beautiful box right here that I'm gonna keep, and I'll probably put something in it. Like, it's way too cute. Look at this. Like, I can keep this on my bedside and, like, I don't know, keep some crystals in it. It's so pretty. It says tea leaf divination. Even the ones that I was looking at, they were so plain. I was even thinking about it this morning, talking to my boyfriend this morning about ordering like a teacup set for divination. First of all, look at this. Look at this. And then we have the cup. Oh my god. There's symbols and designs in there. There is the sun, and then the moon phases. This is so well worth $33. Come on, like, that's way over $33. These cups alone, like, especially for something of this quality and this, like, beautiful. You guys, get this month's box. If you have not gotten any other month's box, get this month's box. I'm telling you. Okay, so another thing is that you also get a booklet, which is the Elder Futhark Rune Guide. I hope I said that right, but it's a booklet that has all of the runes and then the meaning of it. This is nice. I might be doing some rune readings with this on Patreon. I just need to go through it and read it just to get a glimpse of the people who created these runes and their interpretation. Like, I never follow the book really, but I like to get their perspective on it. It's always good to expand your knowledge. So it's a short ass book, like so easy to read. I'm really excited. You see that? Like, it gave me so many things to do. Tea reading, reading a book, sitting down and playing with my runes. Like, you see that? Now the last thing that I see in here, it looks like a disc, and it says Positively Magic. Let's see what is in there. I shouldn't have ripped the sticker. I should have used it in my journal. It's okay. It's not a freaking CD. What am I thinking? Who gives CDs anymore? It shows how old I am. But this goes with, so this month's box is all about divination. So divination, whether you are a spiritual worker, like a reader, or you're just starting out, this box gives you the basics. It tells you how to do it, what to do. Like, so basically what you are going to do is put this down and move your pendulum around. This pendulum is super active. Do you see that? Can you guys see that? I don't want to read right now without cleansing all of these things because you always want to cleanse your stuff before you use it. So let me show you guys this up close. Do you guys see that? So many different kinds of messages you can get, so much clarity you can get. So beautiful, and it's on a piece of wood. I love this. Actually, my partner wants to get into creating these for our shop. So we're working on that. If we even ever get the time to work on it, we're working on it. So this is really nice. You guys, if there's any box that you need to get, it's this month. And like I was saying, you don't need to be a professional. You can be a beginner, and everything you need is right in your hands to give you like clarification, to give you guidance, to help you connect with your ancestors, loved ones that have passed on, to give you information. Like, this is so useful. This is real cute. Do you guys see this? You guys know in every single video I show you guys the book and I tell you that I use these in my journal. They're so beautiful and so inspiring, and they invoke so much thought in me that I want to write down stuff like about it. It invokes stuff within me that I want to journal about. So this is definitely going in my journal. I'm really excited. See, another thing to do, like having myself some shots with my journal. Oh, they also give you a monthly mantra. So the monthly mantra for this month is, my channel to the divine is open and ready to receive mystical guidance. This is going on my fridge. Usually the mantras that they give every month, I put it on my fridge. Because those are good, that every time you pass by it, subconsciously it will implant that into your head. You'll read it consciously. Like, it's just very powerful. So I'm glad that they do that. Okay, so the first thing that we see here, listed on here, is the Goddess Provisions Divination Teacup and Saucer set. This is $33. So the box is $33. You're already getting your money's worth just with this alone. In my opinion, very, very worth it. The next thing that we have is the Gemstone Organics Seraph Elixir. Reminds me of my grandpa, my witchy occult grandpa. This is $20. So this is actually used for divination and to call in your angel guides. This has myrrh, ginger, sandalwood, sweet orange, geranium, and an iolite gemstone. Or no, it doesn't have an iolite gemstone. It is the essence of that gemstone. So what I'm going to be doing with this is trying to call in my grandpa's spirit and seeing, like, why did this come into my life? Why did this specific smell come into my life? Why did I think of him? Why did it remind me of him? Everything is a coincidence. So I'm interested to work with this tonight. Do you see another thing to do? Okay, the rune set, Goddess Provisions Rune Stones. This has 25 stones and it is $22. So the next thing that's on here is the guidebook. This is $6. I don't know about a $6 guidebook because you can look up the rune guide on Google and get it for free. Plus you get more of an in-depth information about every single rune. But it is very important, I feel, to get the person who created the set to get their perspective. So for $6 you get that knowledge. It's worth it. The next thing we're going to talk about is this pendulum board, $22. But you know what? Well worth it, because you have on here crystals, clouds, unsure, rephrase, yes and no, the moon phases, so much symbolism that you can interpret, and it's $22 plus a lot of work went into it. It's very, very good quality. It's sturdy. It's wood. The next thing we're going to talk about is the clear quartz pendulum, and this is $22. Dude, this box is insane. So the last thing that we have here, they always have like a digital gift for you too, and it's a $3 value. It's an introduction to magic, and it's 7 exercises that amplifies your intentions and enhances your connection to the supernatural. I'm going to be checking that out. That's really interesting. Any knowledge you can get is always going to help you. Even if you don't agree with it, then you realize what you don't agree with. So knowledge is very, very powerful. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is freedom. Knowledge is everything. So that was this month's box. This is my favorite. This is by far my favorite box. And I'll leave the links down below if you guys are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.